Hi there, Sophia here. Today I'm going to show you how I get volume in the crown of my hair. Today I just curled my hair in hot curlers, put a little bit of mousse before I dried it, and got this look, which is lovely for just every day. But there are some times that I want to get some volume into my hair, especially if I'm going to be traveling or out all day, so that by nighttime my hair isn't completely flat. And that's what I do at the very beginning of when I style it. I'm going to show you my trick on how I get the crown lifted and get some volume in here and have it last. And I do this with this trusty little tool. This is my teasing foldable brush. It is fantastic. Every time I have used this, I get the results that I want. So let's get started. So I'm going to show you the back now. I never tease the front here. I just leave my bangs like with that curtain look, which is what I like. And then I start right here. I bring the comb in, take the end piece, pull it up, and then bring it forward, and I start teasing it just at the root. Go in for the next one, same thing. I'll take a little bit of hairspray, just a tiny bit, give it a little spritz there. But the important thing is to just get that brush right into the root of the hair, as close to the root as possible. I don't tease any further out because I want the rest of my hair to look really smooth. Just really want the lift right around the crown of my head so that it holds. I bring this in as close as possible. That's about all I do. Give it a little spritz. Today I'm using the generic of the Kenra volume spray, but you can use any volumizing spray that you like. And I start softening it with my fingertips. Take the brush, very gently go over it. I take the end of this brush and just work it in. And as you see, instant volume. So then I just give it a little spritz all over. And for any areas where it needs a little smoothing, which I see right here, doing it in a three-way mirror so you can see all the angles. And then that's about all I like in my hair. Let me turn around. And as you see, I got amazing volume in just a minute or two. It's very fast, it's very effective. The folding brush is in my Amazon storefront, and I will link it down below. You'll find everything in my Amazon storefront, all the tips for hair products and things that I love. So be sure to check it out. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this hair video, please let me know. Give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next one. And if you're new, please subscribe. I would love to have you join my channel. And if you are returning and haven't subscribed, why not? I have a lot of great videos coming up. So I hope to see you on the next one. Bye now.